In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code for Go. This guide explains how to create a Go project, ensure that both Go and Claude Code are installed, and start using Claude for your development needs. To begin, open PowerShell on your computer. Once PowerShell is open, Power is open, type misguide My Go app and press enter. This command creates a new folder named My Go app. Next, navigate into this directory by typing My Go app and hitting enter. Now that you are inside your project folder, initialize the Go module by entering go mod init my Go app and pressing enter. This command sets up the necessary configuration for your Go project. Next, you will create a new file for your Go application. Type notepad main.go quote into PowerShell and press enter. This action will open Notepad with a new file named quote main.go. In this file, you will need to paste the following code: package main, import f, will by the func main line, and finally fmt. Println world concluding with make sure to save the file by clicking File and then Save in Notepad before closing it. Now, it is important to ensure that Go is installed on your machine. In PowerShell, type Go version and press Enter. If you see a version number displayed, this indicates that Go is installed correctly. If you do not see a version number, you will need to install Go before continuing. Next, you should verify that Claude Code is installed. Type Claude-version in PowerShell and hit Enter. If you see a version number, this confirms that Claude Code is set up properly. If not, you will need to install Claude Code before proceeding to the next steps. For first-time users, you will need to log in to Claude Code. Type Claude Login in PowerShell and press Enter. This action will open your default web browser, prompting you to log in. Complete the login process in the browser, and once you are done, return to PowerShell. With Claude Code now set up, you can start it within your Go project. While still in the Me Go app directory, type Claude and press Enter. Claude Code will now be able to read your quote.go quote files, quote go.mod, and the entire project structure. You can begin typing instructions for Claude, such as convert this into a REST API using net/HTTP, refactor this into multiple packages, add middleware and logging, or fix this panic error. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.